You have a slower clogged tub and shower drain. At first, I used to think you needed powerful professional equipment like this. Power dogger, not true. Now in my toolbox, I always carried this small model. I found out this was even too large to fit in the drain opening. And of course, chemicals don't even work. Then I found the powerful, small pocket-sized drain cleaner. This small tip is so easy to use, and I'll tell you in a minute how affordable this was. The way your drain cleaning tool works is you're going to loosen this area here by the tip. You're going to extend the auger. That's going to do all the cleaning for you. When you insert as far as you reasonably can, tighten the nut, unfold the handle in the back, hold tight, and give it a spin. Can you see what it's doing there? It's rotating that metal auger around, and it's super cleaning your drains. This is a simple tool that I found for $15 that will save you hundreds of dollars over calling a plumber. Okay, in case you don't know, an auger works by retracting this clean out metal cable, and I want you to shove it down the drain. You're going to have some kind of hair or obstruction in there. I think that's why I have found chemical cleaners don't work well for showers and tubs, because of the hair. Once you cinch down and lock the cable, you're starting to turn it, and it will spin the device, spin the auger. Look at that. And what it's doing is it's busting through the gunk, the hair, whatever was loose in there. And then you can put in a little further, tighten it down, and keep spinning. Work it back and forth. You want to go to about the drain trap. And then when you retract it, your drain should be greatly improved. If the drain is still not going fast enough for you, go ahead and insert it in a different area and a different direction. When you're done, you just retract it back to the starting position. It will last longer if you take a paper towel and kind of dry it off so it doesn't rust. And then this model folds right up. I'll put a link to this product in the video description. This is the one I recommend, and there's some other ones that looked good as well.